Cykaniki here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this yellow thing. Is this a box? The L'Occitane or L'Occitane in Provence, and we're going to do a review of their newest line, which is the Rain Blanche. Lakas makamayaman best. May lining na yellow. Okay, so open na natin. Parang hindi siya makikita. May tagtag pa. Oh, cute bag. Ang cute ng bag. White and my blue. Okay, so my face today is bare naked because I'm going to try this thing. So what's inside pala is may pabalot siya. The bag is super cute. Mahulog siya, bes. Daming skincare. So, isa-isa na natin. Meron siyang hand cream, itong L'Occitane and Provence Precious Cream. Perfect mattifying liquid. We also have a revitalizing fresh conditioner, cream, ultra rich, ultra body cream, late corpse body milk. So maybe some of this will be for a giveaway. L'Occitane Divine Cream Mask. We have also the aftershave balm. Dami pala nito. Ultra rich. Sorry, best. Ultra rich comforting cream, face comforting oil, perfecting cream, skin perfector. We have also a cream mask, essential water. I believe this is essential water. Another precious night cream and another mattifying liquid. We have their newest line. This is all samples, by the way. So first we have the Illuminating Lotion, White Infusion Serum, and their Whitening Cream. So I'm going to try this on. That's why my face is bare naked. I tried this for 3 days already because they given us some samples separate from the one. I didn't expect that this is also included in the box. So I'm going to apply it for you. So I just basically used this for 3 days. Sample lang best. So for this one, maybe 2 uses. 1 pouch for 2 uses. So I'm going to show to you. The product claims that Rain Dispress is a pure white flower which illuminates its petals over time. L'Occitane combined meadow sweet accidental extract from flower with white mulberry, renowned for its skin brightening properties and skin illuminating with vitamin C to create Rain Blanche Complex, a powerful complex for boosting luminosity and epidermal renewal. This innovative complex lies at the heart of the Rain Blanche Illuminating program. Especially developed for Asian women, it is clinically proven to recover skin natural translucency and inner light. So they said the visible illuminating results: 97% skin looks fairer, skin looks visibly whitened, skin looks flawless, skin looks luminous. So a bit of background, I made a test for about 3 days and I filmed it. I'm going to insert the clip on this video, and as you can see, on the first day I have a lot of pimples and skin blemishes and dark spots, and you can see visible results on the 3rd day. And today it will be my 4th day of usage, and I can really tell you what's my own opinion upon applying this product. So first, which is the L'Occitane Illuminating Lotion. It is said as a lotion, but if you're going to apply it, you will be shocked with its consistency because it's a watery, liquidy, and yes, see, it's watery. Ouch, sayang bes. This is how I applied it on all my skincare and toner. By the way, I already washed my face with my favorite cleanser, and next you're going to apply the White Infusion Serum. The only difference from the Illuminating Lotion and the White Infusion Serum is that just a little bit sticky and a bit comfortable on your face. But if you're going to apply it in your face, it feels like your skin will be refreshed and it penetrates deeply to your skin. And I like the effect of that. And the third one is the Whitening Cream. This has a very sticky consistency. It's not really sticky, not super sticky, but just maybe it's a little sticky. And okay, and we're done. I'm going to add eye cream and I'm ready to sleep. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh, by the way, you're here from Cebu like me, it's available at Rostan's Ayala, Center Cebu. And yes, I really love the product and it's very refreshing. Disclaimer, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. All of my thoughts and opinions are my own, and I'm not paid to have a review for this. This is based on my experience and my little thoughts. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe this video. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you will be notified and stay in the loop for my upcoming videos. Okay, before I forgot, the fun part, I'll be giving away this pouch and this products. So check the description box on how to win these prizes. Bye-bye. Good luck.